Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today, I want to share my English learning journey, my real experience, my real feelings. My name is Rahul. I come from a small village. In my village, most people speak our local language. So, I did not speak English when I was young. I only knew a few words. Speaking felt difficult, as English was not common. I was shy to speak. I felt nervous. I avoided conversations. I stayed silent in class. I feared making mistakes. In school, we studied English grammar. We wrote answers in exams. But we did not speak. So I could not speak confidently. My voice used to shake. My mind used to stop. I felt embarrassed. Sometimes my teacher asked me to read. I read slowly. I did not read properly. Other students read faster. I felt uncomfortable. Sometimes people around me spoke English. I listened. Their words sounded beautiful. But I did not understand much. Feeling left out was common. A small feeling came inside. I wanted to change. I wanted to speak like them. I wanted to express myself. I wanted to sound confident. One day, I made a decision. I said to myself, "No more fear. No more excuses. I will learn English. Slowly, step by step. I promised myself to practice daily. I promised to never give up." I started learning simple words first, like eat, walk, go, come, happy, sad. Then I made small sentences. I am eating. I am going. I am happy today. This helped me a lot. Small steps made a big difference. I realized language grows slowly. I practiced speaking with myself. I looked in the mirror. I tried to talk. I described what I was doing. For example, I am combing my hair. I am making tea. I am sitting on the chair. This made me comfortable. I started enjoying the process. I laughed at my mistakes. I felt progress. I listened to English every day. I watched simple videos. I listened to English stories. I repeated the sentences. Slowly, my tongue became flexible. Slowly, words came naturally. My ears became familiar with English sounds. My pronunciation improved slowly. I did not push myself too hard. At first, I made mistakes. Many mistakes. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Sometimes I felt disappointed. Sometimes I felt slow. But I did not stop. The journey continued. I learned from my mistakes. Correction happened slowly. I corrected myself. Progress was small, but real. Small progress is still progress. Every day was a new chance. I moved forward with patience. I also read small English books. I read children's stories. Very simple stories. They were easy and useful. They helped me understand sentence structure. Reading improved my thinking in English. I learned new words in context. Reading made learning enjoyable. Sometimes I read the same story twice, because repetition made it easier. I enjoyed seeing my improvement. This reading habit became a daily routine. After that, I practiced speaking with friends. Some friends laughed. Some friends supported me. I focused on the supportive ones. I ignored negativity. This is very important in the journey. Choose the right environment. Stay away from discouraging people. Believe in yourself. Even one good friend can help. Encouragement gives strength. Support makes learning easier. Day by day, my English improved. My confidence grew. My voice became stronger. My sentences became smoother. I felt good about my progress. I felt proud of myself. This gave me motivation to continue. Small victories built my faith. I started enjoying conversations. Slowly, English became more natural. I realized something powerful. Practice is the key. Not talent, not expensive courses, just daily practice. Consistency is everything. Small practice every day brings big results. Even 10 minutes daily helps. Slow practice is still practice. Today, I can speak English better than before. I can express my feelings. I can share my thoughts. I am still learning. Learning never ends. But now I am not afraid. I feel confident when I speak. I feel hopeful about the future. This is the result of patience and effort. If you are also learning English, remember this. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Just try a little every day. Keep your heart strong. Keep your mind open. You will grow. Progress may be slow, but it is real. Say positive things to yourself. I can speak. I can learn. I am improving. This mindset will help you grow. Believe in yourself. You are capable. Your journey is unique. Trust your process. Thank you so much for listening to my journey. I hope my story motivates you. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. See you again in the next video. Take care. Keep practicing every day. You will speak fluently soon. I believe in you.